Oh, huh? Oh, boss, what's wrong?
What? Oh, nothing.
Well, it doesn't look like nothing. You look terrible. Sure you don't want to talk?
Oh, fine, I'll tell you. It's just that ever since that dude took my girlfriend, it's been so hard on me because I really miss her.
Well, boss, you do know that the whole station is working really hard to track him down. We're doing our best to find her so you guys can be together again. So hold that thought. Hello? Found the girl. Uh-huh. Found the guy there. Oh, really? Yeah, I'll tell him right away. Good news, boss.
Oh, I could use some of that right now.
Apparently, the crew just found the girl and the boy. They're at a train station about 3 miles from here. We can pick them up and...
Stop! Say no more.
Okay.
I have a plan.
So where are we going anyways?
We're going to meet my dad. He wanted to see the girl I was dating. After all, I heard that guy you were dating before me was pretty bad.
Yeah, he was a big jerk. You're way better than him. I love you.
I love you too. Huh? Hey, the train must be here. Yep, there it is. Maybe we'll finally get to meet my dad.
Yeah, that would be nice.
So you wanna... Man, that train's going awfully fast. Shouldn't it be slowing down by... Wait a minute. One sec. Oh my god! We gotta go! It's that guy! Your old boyfriend!
What?
Yeah, he's driving the train! We gotta go! No!
Oh, don't be silly. I left him a long time ago. There's no way he thinks I'll take it back.
Oh my god, please listen to me! We just gotta go!
Here we go! No, maybe I was wrong about you. Maybe you are crazy.
Jenny!
Help! I got you now! What the? No! No! No!
Here we go. Ah, dang it! Come on. Stranded out here in the middle of nowhere. No water, no food, cars broken down. How could this day get any worse? Huh? Okay, that's it.
Man, when are they ever gonna get here? Oh! Hello?
Hey Dad, we're kind of in a situation.
Are you finally gonna get here?
About that.
Come on, son. I rushed home from the police station really quickly just so I could be here with you. But now
Wait a second. You just got back to the police station. Does that mean you have a gun on you?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, listen. I'm gonna be at the train station in a few seconds. I just need you to jump on the back and listen to me.
Wait, what? No.
Just listen to me. I'll be in there in a sec. Bye, Dad.
Hello? Ah, great. What the heck? What? Oh my god!
Dad, give me your gun now.
I don't know why I'm doing this, but here.
Thanks.
So, wait, what's going on?
Alright, Dad, hop in the back.
What? No, I can't just do that. What the heck is going on?
Dad, hop in the back now.
Okay.
Alright, Dad, the first step of the plan is to get you in that green car.
Oh!
Whoops, sorry. Let's try that again. Alright, Dad, here's the plan. On the count of 3, you pull the brake at the back of that car. Got it?
Okay, sure, yeah.
Wait, what's going on?
Okay then, here we go. 3, 2, 1.